All right, everyone. It's 5 o'clock on a Friday morning in February, and one of the things I love doing is grilling meat. And today I'm going to show you how I make pork jerky because my kids love it, and we make it from pork tenderloin. So here are our pork tenderloin pieces from Costco. What we're going to do is I'm going to clean up all the silver skin. I'm going to remove it and clean it up, and then we're going to slice it into small pieces so we can put it on the smoker. It will be marinating for 24 hours at least before we put on the smoker. Okay, so let's get started, and with our trusted Costco knives as well. Of course, the tenderloin is a very delicate piece. You don't want to overcook it or overhydrate it and dry it, but at the same time, you want to make jerky out of it. So, again, marinate it really good for 24 hours at least. I have my own marinade recipe. I change it up once in a while, so I will share it with you shortly. And I also like taking out all this crap that is chewy and is going to get stuck in your teeth. It has no flavor. You know, the Costco package, it has 4 pieces of tenderloin in it. It's about $16. You know, good value. If you want to buy a pack of jerky at the store, you pay like $10 for a small, like 150 gram pack. This tastes better, and kids love it. The kids like it. They take it to school. It's a good protein source. Okay. I think we're good there. So I'm going to start slicing this up with the other Costco trusted knife. So the way I cut it is like this. I'm going to put it aside. Nice pieces. I'm going in there now. I don't usually do a lot of these videos, but obviously we're going to edit this video to make it shorter so you guys can watch the whole thing from start to beginning. I know a lot of people don't like pork, but my kids love it. You know, we eat it. I love pork on the charcoal barbecue. I'll show you how we make it when the weather gets better. So these are bite-sized, 2 bite-sized jerky strips. I got all of these cutting boards. I also make beef jerky, so we'll make a video on that one sometime. But for the beef jerky, I use a different cut of beef. Alright, it's one piece done. We'll see you when we're making the marinade. Okay, so part 2 for the pork jerky. And I'm going to show you what I use for marinade right now. See, I'm going to leave one item out. So here's the pork already ready to go into the marinade, and it's a pork tenderloin that I've cut into small pieces, sliced thinly to go in the smoker. So the first ingredient is the traeger, could be chicken or pork rub, regular mustard, Worcestershire sauce, and soy sauce, obviously salt, and we have shawarma sauce, shawarma spice. Okay, and this is what I'm gonna leave out, so you're not gonna know what this is. You can substitute it, you can take it out, you still get a good product, good taste, but this is my own, so I'm gonna leave it out here. Okay, and so all these with this are gonna go in here. They're gonna get mixed really good. I'm gonna pour them on top of the pork jerky. We're gonna leave marinating in the fridge for 24 hours. Okay, so marinade's ready. You're gonna pour it down on, so I'm gonna show you. Okay. Oh, smells good already. Just gonna mix it up a little bit. Just making sure every single piece gets dipped. Yep. Okay. I think we're good for the marinade. Now we're just gonna cover it up and put it in the fridge for 24 hours. I'll be ready for the smoker next day. So 24 hours went by since we started marinating the pork slices, and here is the result. Right now, this is how it looks like after 24 hours marinating in the fridge. And we're gonna take these slices and lay them down on these grids. I have 4 or 5 of them here, and we're just gonna lay them down and put them on the smoker outside, and we'll see you in the next video when they are on the smoker. Alright, so here we are. I'm gonna show you, it's all on the smoker already right now. How it looks like. Now what we're gonna do is check on them probably every 4 hours and see what they're like. It's obviously gonna take about 7 hours. Hey everyone, so it's 11:30 a.m. It's been 6 hours since I put the pork slices on the traeger smoker. So we're gonna go check on them right now, okay? There's the smoker, and you see smoke coming out. It's a 178 super smoke. You can't really see the smoke, but it is coming out. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay. Yep, those are, I think they're ready. Oh yeah, they're ready. Done. That's it. No more.